Hey, what's going on guys, Sergeant's Tech Tips, and welcome to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Instagram account. Now, obviously, this Instagram account is not something I used. I just made this Instagram account up for the purpose of this tutorial. So basically, it's actually a really simple thing to do. You're going to go to the link in the description below. There's going to be a link at the bottom. Just go ahead, click Show More. You should see the link, and then you're just going to click that. You can do this from your phone. You can also do this from your computer, depending on where you want to do it. All you got to do is go to that link, copy and paste it. It's going to bring you to this page here. One thing I did want to point out real quick, before you go ahead and delete your account, you do need to be logged in to your Instagram account. So when you go to this deletion page, and if you're not already logged in your computer's browser or your phone's browser, it is going to ask you to log in to delete the account. So just keep that in mind. You will have to log in, and if you forgot your password, you're going to have to change your password through, you can just go to their website or go to Instagram.com and click Forgot Password. Put your email in, your phone number, and they'll send you a forgot password link. You're going to click right here. You're going to go down to something else, and then you're going to retype your password. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and type your password in. There's my password. Go ahead and delete. It's going to ask you if you want to delete. Click OK. After you click delete, it's going to show this here, and this is it's going to take around 30 days. So depending on when you delete it, it's not going to show October 4th for you. But this is when it will be deleted. And if you change your mind within that 30 days, you can actually log back in, and it will disable the deletion of your account. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. See you guys next video, and peace out.